Welcome to the Malabari Lens. In this video, we visit one of Singapore's most significant Buddhist temples, the Meng Phor Kark Monastery. Located in Bishan, this sprawling complex is known for its serene atmosphere, traditional architecture, and deep spiritual heritage. The Meng Phor Kark Monastery was established in 1921 by Venerable Zhuan Dao, a respected Buddhist monk from China. Over the decades, it has grown from a humble temple into Singapore's largest monastery, covering more than 75,000 square meters. The monastery serves as an important center for Mahayana Buddhist teachings, meditation, and community service. It plays a vital role in promoting compassion, mindfulness, and harmony among people from all walks of life. As you walk through the grounds, you'll notice the distinctive Chinese-style roofs, intricate carvings, and beautifully landscaped gardens. Each structure has been carefully designed to reflect Buddhist symbolism and philosophy. The complex houses several grand halls dedicated to various Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. One of the major highlights is the pagoda of 10,000 Buddhas, which stands tall within the temple grounds and holds countless miniature Buddha statues. Out of respect for those engaged in prayer and meditation, I did not film inside the monastery buildings. The atmosphere inside is calm and deeply spiritual, filled with the scent of incense, the soft chanting of devotees, and the peaceful rhythm of temple life. Meng Phor Kark Monastery stands as a timeless reminder of Buddhist faith and culture in Singapore. Beyond its grand architecture, it offers visitors a moment of stillness and reflection, a place to pause, breathe, and reconnect with inner peace. Thank you for joining the Malabari Lens on this journey. Stay tuned for more stories from Singapore and beyond.